Hello and welcome to Orin-X. In this video, we will talk about the asynchronous JavaScript. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe to Orin-X. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell down below for more creative videos. In this video, we're going to be discussing how to work with asynchronous code in JavaScript, including callbacks, promises, and async/await. Asynchronous code is an essential concept in JavaScript, allowing you to perform multiple tasks at the same time, without blocking the execution of the rest of the program. First, let's talk about callbacks. Callbacks are a way to handle asynchronous code in JavaScript. They are functions that are passed as arguments to other functions, and are called once the asynchronous operation is complete. Callbacks are widely used in JavaScript, but they can lead to problems such as callback hell, which is the result of a large number of nested callback functions. Next, let's talk about promises. Promises are a more advanced way to handle asynchronous code in JavaScript. They provide a more organized and readable way to handle asynchronous operations, by returning a promise object that can be used to handle the results of the operation. Promises have several advantages over callbacks, such as better error handling and the ability to chain multiple promises together. Finally, let's talk about async/await. Async/await is a modern way to handle asynchronous code in JavaScript, introduced in ECMAScript 2017. It allows you to write asynchronous code that looks and behaves like synchronous code, making it more readable and easier to understand. The async keyword is used to create an asynchronous function, and the await keyword is used to wait for the completion of an asynchronous operation. In summary, understanding how to work with asynchronous code in JavaScript is an essential concept for any web developer. By understanding the concepts and features of callbacks, promises, and async/await, you can create more efficient and organized code that can handle multiple tasks at the same time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Like and subscribe to Orin-X. See you guys in the next video.